Good morning, students. Today we will see the third chapter of Maths 1, that is trigonometric functions. In trigonometric functions, first of all see the principal solution. What is meant by principal solution? The angle theta of the trigonometric equation satisfies the condition 0 less than equal to theta less than equal to 2 pi are called as its principal solution. 0 to 360 degree. 0 to 360 degree. Okay, pi means 180 into 2 360 degree. आपका एंगल 0 और 360 के बीच में चाहिए, then that is the required principal solution of the given trigonometric equation. Now see, this is the xy plane. Coordinate axis divides the plane into 4 quadrants. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Range of the first quadrant is 0 to 90 degree. Range of the first quadrant is 0 to 90 degree. Range of the second quadrant is 90 degree to 180 degree. Pi by 2 to pi. 0 to pi by 2. Range of the third quadrant is 180 degree to 270 degree. And range of the fourth quadrant is 270 degree to 360 degree. Okay, now see, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, in these 6 trigonometric ratios, in the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. How? You can remember the statement, all student takes coffee. All student takes coffee. All student takes coffee. Okay, A stands for all trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta, and cot theta. All trigonometric ratios are positive in the first quadrant. In the second quadrant, S stands for sin theta and its reciprocal cosec theta are positive in the second quadrant. What is the relation between sin theta and cosec theta? Sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocal of each other. It means sin theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta and cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. Similarly, in the third quadrant, T stands for tan theta, its reciprocal cot theta. Tan theta and cot theta are positive in the third quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant, cos theta and sec theta are positive because they are reciprocal of each other. Cos theta equal to 1 upon sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. Now see, in exercise 3.1, what is the question? Find the principal solutions of the following equations. Now see, the first question is here, sec theta equal to 2 upon root 3. Now you see its reciprocal. We have to convert in terms of sin, cos, tan. Sec theta का reciprocal क्या है? Cos theta. तो cos theta क्या आएगा? Cos theta equal to root 3 upon 2. Numerator denominator interchange. Okay, you will get the first value from the table. Okay, for which angle cos theta is root 3 upon 2? 30, 45, 60 like that. Which angle? So we know that what is the value of cos 30? Cos 45, cos 60. ये वैल्यूज आपको मालूम होना चाहिए टेबल से, अदरवाइज यू कैन फाइंड बाय यूजिंग 0 1 2 3 4 डिवाइड बाय 4 like that. Okay, now here we know that cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this we can write cos theta is equal to cos 30 means pi by 6. Pi means 180. 180 upon 6, 30. Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. Cos कंपेयर कीजिए, theta is equal to क्या आएगा? Pi by 6. Now this pi by 6 belongs to this 0 to 2 pi. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. 30 degree lies in between 0 to 360 degree. Since less than equal to pi by 6 less than equal to 2 pi. Condition is satisfied. Okay. Also, we know that use the formula of allied angle, trigonometry का allied angle का formula use कीजिए. Cos theta equal to root 3 by 2. Cos theta is positive. In which quadrant cos theta is positive? Cos theta is positive in the first quadrant as well as fourth quadrant. Okay. अभी आपको second value find करना है. Fourth quadrant means 270 degree to 360 degree. तो formula क्या होगा? Cos 2 pi minus theta is equal to cos theta. We know that cos 2 pi minus theta is equal to cos theta because theta lies in the fourth quadrant. What is theta? Theta is equal to pi by 6. Cos 2 pi minus pi by 6 is equal to cos theta. Otherwise, you can put the value of cos pi by 6 and cos pi by 6 is cos theta. Okay, cos 2 pi minus, write down right hand side first. Cos theta is equal to 2 pi minus cos 6 into 2 pi, 12 pi minus pi, that is 11 pi upon 6. Cos remove करेंगे तो theta is equal to 11 pi upon 6 and now see pi is 180 upon 6 30 into 11 330 degree. It means angle 330 degree lies in between 0 to 360 degree, 0 to 2 pi and 0 less than equal to 11 pi upon 6 less than equal to 2 pi. Condition is satisfied. Okay. Hence, the required principal solutions are first one theta is equal to pi by 6 and theta is equal to 11 pi by 6, which are the required principal solutions. Isn't it? Do you understand? Okay. Now we'll take the next one. Okay, we'll take the second sum. Okay, second sum again. Okay, second one is cot theta equal to root 3. Cot theta equal to root 3. And third one is sin theta equal to 1 upon root. Okay, I will solve the third one. Now you can solve the second one. Second one is for the practice. Okay. Now see the second one. Sin theta equal to 1 upon root 2. Okay, one value we will get from the table. Let sin theta is equal to, for which angle sin theta is 1 upon root 2? Sin 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. 45 degree means pi by 4. Therefore, theta is equal to, compare कीजिए sin, तो theta is equal to आएगा pi by 4. This is the first principal solution and this lies between 0 to pi by 0 less than equal to pi by 4 less than equal to 2 pi. It means pi by 4 lies between 0 to 2 pi. Pi by 4 is 45 degree. 45 degree lies in between 0 to 360 degree. Now we know that this is the allied angle formula. Which formula is applicable here? We know that second formula. Now see, sin theta is 1 upon root 2. Sin theta is positive. For in which quadrant sin theta is positive? Sin theta is positive in the first quadrant as well as in second quadrant. From the first quadrant, we will get the value theta is pi by 4. It means we want second value from the second quadrant. So what is the formula? Theta lies in between 90 to 180 degree. So formula क्या आएगा? Sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. इसी से आपको याद रखना है. Sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. What is theta? Pi by 4. Sin pi minus pi by 4 is equal to sin theta. We can write sin pi by 4. Okay, now write down sin theta first. Sin theta is equal to pi minus pi by 4. 4 into pi, 4 pi. 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi. Sin 3 pi upon 4. Side cancel होगा तो थीटा क्या रहेगा? थीटा इज इक्वल टू 3 पाई अपॉन 4. डिग्री में क्या होगा एंगल? पाई की जगह आएगा 180. 180 से 4 को 180 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आएगा 45. 45 into 3 135. Angle 135 lies in the second quadrant. Therefore 0 less than equal to 3 pi by 4 less than equal to 2 pi. This angle lies between 0 to 2 pi. The required principal solution, the required principal solutions are theta is equal to first value pi by 4 and second value is 3 pi by 4. Which are the required principal solution. Okay, now we take one more sum, that is cot theta is equal to one upon root 3. Okay, now see, we have to find the principal solution of this. Cot theta is 1 upon root 3. First we have taken sec theta, which is the reciprocal of cos theta. Secondly, we have taken sin theta, and now we are going to take cot theta. Cot theta and tan theta are positive in the third quadrant, and they are reciprocal of each other. Tan theta is 1 upon cot theta. Cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. From this we can write tan theta is equal to root 3. Isn't it? Now, for which angle tan theta is root 3? We know that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So tan theta is equal to root 3. For which angle tan theta is root 3? That is tan 60 degree is root 3. Sin 60 upon cos 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is half. So it is tan 60 degree means pi by 3. Pi means 180. 180 upon 3 is 60. Now tan कैंसिल करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 3 और कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई. पाई बाय 3 मींस 60 डिग्री. 0 लेस देन इक्वल टू थीटा. थीटा मींस पाई बाय 3 लेस देन इक्वल टू 2 पाई. Condition is satisfied. Therefore the first principal solution of this angle is pi by 3. Now use allied angle formula. We know that कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज होगा? Now see, in the third quadrant tan theta and cot theta are positive. Okay, it means angle lies in the third quadrant. First quadrant का आपको वैल्यू मिला है pi by 3. अभी सेकेंड वैल्यू मिलेगा थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट से. तो फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? tan pi प्लस थीटा. इसके बीच में होगा एंगल. सो tan pi प्लस थीटा इज इक्वल टू tan थीटा. कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज होगा? tan pi plus theta is equal to tan theta. What is theta? Theta is equal to pi by 3. So put tan pi plus pi by 3 is equal to tan pi by 3. But tan pi by 3 is tan theta. So keep tan theta as it is. Tan theta. Therefore tan theta is equal to tan pi plus pi by 3. 3 into pi. 3 pi plus pi. Tan 4 pi upon 3. tan कैंसिल करेंगे, थीटा इज इक्वल टू आएगा 4 पाई अपॉन 3। डिग्री में क्या एंगल होगा, पाई की जगह रहेगा 180, 180 अपॉन 3 is 60, 60 into 4 240, angle is 240 degree, 240 degree lies in the third quadrant and which lies in between 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 360 degree, and 0 less than equal to 4 pi by 3 less than equal to 2 pi. Condition is satisfied. Hence the required principal solution are, hence the required principal solutions are theta is equal to first value pi by 3 and second value 4 pi by 3, which are the required principal solution of the given trigonometric equation. Do you understand any problem regarding to this? Okay. For negative numbers, we'll see in the next video.